Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best tire repair kits that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have All Tools HeavyDuty Tire Repair Kit. This is a highly versatile tire repair kit that you can use on motorcycles, bikes, RVs, and all types of vehicles. The pack contains all the vital tools that are needed for efficient and quick repair of the tire. For instance, it contains the T-handle tools, non-slip pliers, and brown strings that deliver exemplary services. The comfortable and simple repair toolkit has a carrying bag that accommodates all the tools for easy accessibility. The tools have been constructed from durable material for prolonged use. Moving on at number 4, we have Otton's 75 pieces heavy-duty tire repair kit. With the Universal Tire Repair Kit, you are assured of great performances whenever you got a flat tire. The toolkit comprises of up to 75 pieces, which you will find excellent for convenient use. Moreover, the toolkit has been designed from 100% professional quality steel material. This is the reason the tools will serve longer and better. More interestingly, they are also safe to use and able to withstand even the toughest repair needs. The toolkit is neatly arranged in a carrying case for convenient storage and portability. At number 3, we have SecureGuard's 66 pieces heavy-duty tire repair kit. This is another top-rated tire repair kit that you will find convenient. This is because the kit is easily portable, and with the compact design, it doesn't occupy much space. The quality carrying bag is durable plus allows for neat organization and access to the tools. Furthermore, the kit can be used on all kinds of vehicles including cars, trucks, tractor, RV, ATV, and motorcycles among others. The good thing is that the tools have been constructed using the best quality of material for prolonged use. With up to 66 pieces of tools in the set, it is a complete kit with up to 35 tire plugs. Other tools included are plastic valve caps, valve cores, and chrome valve caps among others. At number 2, we have MATCC 76 pieces tire repair plug kit. The total number of pieces included in the package needs to be a consideration to look out for before making the purchase. This is a complete pack with up to 76 pieces, which makes it a great selection for all users. The tools have been constructed from quality steel and alloy material for extended use. In addition to this, it is a widely applicable repair kit that is suited for both smaller and larger vehicles. With an ergonomically designed T-handle tool plus non-slip pliers, you will find it perfect for easy and quick repair of the tire. And finally at number 1, Western Weld 65-piece flat tire repair kit. When interested in finding the ultimate tire repair kit you can use when traveling, this is a perfect selection you need to try out. The kit has a total of 65 pieces, hence great for all car owners. In the pack, it includes 60 tire repair plugs, 2 T-handle tools, folding razor, and a jar of lube. With this, you will find it convenient to repair the tire in minutes. Additionally, the tools have been designed from solid material, which brings about long-term performances. Other than this, the carrying case has a compact design for easy portability and storage. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.